think this might be a Hampton Bay Quick Connect, baby. Like this fan I was trying to search up. It's a Quick Connect, but it looks like it's a Quick Connect, but I didn't see the light kit. It's not the same because there's no light kit. The light kit looks different, but I saw the same blades and same up there. Okay. I want to show this on high, medium, and low. All I want to do to this. Hold on. Let me do low first. Hey, baby. Now you can do the chain 3 times to turn it to low. Because I saw it when it's off. I'm going to worry if it falls off the ceiling. But it's not supposed to fall off the ceiling. Well, I guess we're going to have to show on high. I'm sorry that we can't show all the speeds.